I will try the 5 most powerful and popular AI video tools available right now, and together we'll pick the best AI video generator for you. This video is going to be a lot of fun because we'll try Google Veo 3, Kling AI 2.1, Hanoyan, Seedance 1.0, and Wan. I asked ChatGPT for a prompt that I can try across all AI video generators. It gave me a universal prompt to test these AI video generators. Here's the prompt. So my friends, we will use one single prompt to test all these AI video generators you see here. Let's begin with the first one, Seedance. I'll paste the prompt here, but there's one small note. The prompt requests 15 seconds, but I'll remove that part because some tools only allow a maximum of 8 or 10 seconds. So I'll adjust the duration to 10 seconds. I'll also set the quality to Pro, even though that consumes more points. Keep it in cinema mode, and then click Create. After waiting a bit, the video was ready. Look at the background, how epic it is. Let's watch it together. I loved the colors and I loved the quality. With this tool, you can literally create anything you can imagine. Honestly, I didn't expect this level of quality, nor such smooth motion. That was the first video from Seedance 1.0. We can download the video from here without a watermark, and even with sound effects, but I forgot to enable them. So let's just download it now. Now let's test the second tool, Hanoyan. We go back to the site, click here and select Hanoyan. There it is, right in front of you. The prompt is ready, everything is set. I'll just enable the sound effects, turn on this option, set the quality to 720, leave the size as it is, and then click Create. By the way, if you want to use all these tools in one place like I do, you don't need to visit each tool separately and pay for individual subscriptions. That would cost a lot of money. Instead, you can simply use OpenArt. I'll leave the link in the first comment and in the description box. Try it out, and if you subscribe, you'll have access to all these tools in one platform, whenever you want. And the best part, new tools are constantly being added. For example, Kling 2.1 was added recently. It's not just video generators either. OpenArt also gives you access to the best AI image generators, along with many other features I can't even cover in this video. Things like upscaling image quality, removing backgrounds, and so much more that you'll discover once you sign up. And on top of that, I've got a gift for you, a 10% discount code for anyone who wants to subscribe. You'll find it in the description and in the first comment. Use it and you'll get a discount while enjoying all the AI tools in one place. As you saw, Seedance is better in terms of duration, since it allows 10 seconds, while Hanoyan only allows 5. The sound effects weren't very impressive either, and the video quality was just average. Overall, Seedance is clearly much better than Hanoyan. Still, I can download this video here in MP4 format and without a watermark. Now comes the critical moment. We've reached one of the strongest tools, Kling AI 2.1. Let's test it. I'll click here, select Kling 2.1, and keep the prompt exactly as it is. Sound effects, on. Duration, 10 seconds. Everything else stays the same. Then click Create. It took a little while to process, but hopefully the result is worth it. Let's watch the video together, my friends. I knew it would generate something epic like this. Now we'll test the fourth tool, Wan 2.2. I've never tried this one before, but I know it's powerful, popular, and highly searched for. Personally, this is my very first time hearing about it, and I wanted to explore it together with you. So let's click here, select Wan, enable this option, turn on sound, set video mode to Pro, quality to 720, and then click Create. This time the result was super fast, and surprisingly, it generated 2 videos. I'm not sure if I accidentally clicked twice or if the tool just gives 2 outputs by default. Either way, let's watch both of them. Honestly, my friends, Wan really impressed me. It creates epic professional videos while consuming far fewer points than tools like Veo or Kling, which cost much more. Even with just 5 seconds and only 100 points, it delivered an amazing result, and even gave me a second video as well. Both are just epic. Now we move on to the beast, the final tool, Google Veo 3. This one consumes the most points of all. I'll switch to Veo 3, set the quality to 1080, mode to fast, audio on, and it'll cost 1,500 points. Let's click Create. The last video is ready. If you're excited, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on. The result is legendary, absolutely insane. Veo 3 is clearly the strongest tool, but its only downside is how many points it consumes. If you'd like to try this platform and access all these tools, even image generators, I'll leave the link in the first comment. It's very affordable, and you can generate hundreds of images too. That wraps up today's test, my friends. I'll see you in the next video.